I'm going to run you through how to install the Citrix Workspace application on your home Mac. First of all, we need to use the Google Chrome web browser rather than Safari, because the Google Chrome browser works much better when trying to download this software. You can download this from the App Store if you need to. So once you've opened up Google Chrome, you need to type in the following web address: citrix.co.uk/downloads/workspace-app, and then you can press return. This will take us to the Citrix web page where we can download the appropriate software. Let's just scroll down past the workspace for Windows because we need the Mac version. There it is, so I'm going to click on that and then click on 4 to find the latest version of it, which is shown here in purple. Let's click on that, and this will bring us to where we can download the application. I'm going to single click on it here, and it will start to download in the bottom left-hand corner of my Google Chrome browser window. This will take about 30 seconds to download, depending on your broadband or Wi-Fi connection. So just bear with it while it downloads. And once it's done that, the icon will flash shortly, and then we will be able to open up the installation. It's finished flashing, so I'm going to single click and it'll open up the installation program. This first window, we need to double click on Install Citrix Workspace. This will open up the installation for the application. I'm going to click on Continue. This first one basically just checks that your machine is able to run the Citrix Workspace app. We're going to run through these few steps here. So the first one, I'm going to click Continue, and then the license agreement, I'm going to click Continue. You can change the language and have a look at that if you wish, and it will just prompt me to check that I have read the software license agreement and that I agree with it. This next step is to check that you have enough space on your computer and where it's going to be saved. If you wish to change where it will be saved on your computer, you can choose the Change Install Location option there, but I'm just going to click on Install and install it in the standard space. Because this is trying to install new software on my Mac, I am prompted to put in the admin password, so make sure you have this to hand. And then I'll allow it to install the software. This will just run through the process shortly, and we're nearly there. Fantastic. Now we're asked if we wish to add an account. We need to make sure this box stays unchecked, so leave it as it is and just click on Continue. You'll get an audible notification that you have installed it successfully, which is good news. So now you can just click on Close. I'm going to keep this at the moment and not move it to the bin, and then I can just close down this window. Now, with your remote access setup, you'll also be given access to the Citrix page for the West Suffolk. So I'm just going to start typing that: citrix.wsh.nhs.uk, and then you can hit return and then follow the further instructions that you've been given about how to either access your Trust desktop computer or how to access eCare and the intranet.